Here is my Aldi haul for the month of December. This is by far my biggest Aldi total of the entire year. My total came to $374, which is way more than I would like it to be, but we have all this food plus some Christmas gift items, so we're gonna take our time today and go through and show you guys my Aldi haul, some stock up items, lots of baking and all the things. So let's just start at the end here. 2 things of blueberries. These were $5 a piece. I think total I paid like $11 for these. Quite a bit, but my kids love them, so I got 2 things of blueberries. I did get 4 things of raspberries. My son's eating one right now, but these were a much better price. These were 2 something, so I got 4 of them. These are always what the kids like for the month. 2 things of these fun holiday pretzels. We have a couple things planned for these. We will do them with some of these oyster crackers here in the oven with some ranch seasoning and make a little bit of a trail mix. The kids love that. The kids like to dip these in chocolate, like melted chocolate, and they decorate them with sprinkles and things for the holidays, kind of like they have on the box here. So one is for us. It is Lakin's turn to bring in a snack for her class. Every month 4 or 5 students have to bring in a snack for the kids for the month. So I thought it would be fun to have some holiday shaped pretzels for lunch or for their snack, and then the teacher can keep the bin and use it in her classroom. So 1 for us, 1 for Lakin's classroom. 6 things of butter, which might not seem like a lot, but I've been stocking up on butter slowly over the last couple months, specifically for the holidays. So I've got maybe 4 or 5 pounds of butter in my freezers. So that plus this, plus I think I have 1 or 2 pounds left over in the fridge from last month. I should have enough to get me through the holiday baking season. If not, I can run back and get more. I got 5 things of cream cheese for all of the cream cheese frosting. My cream cheese frosting recipe is very simple. It's a block of cream cheese, stick of butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Whip it together, it's delicious. I'm getting food coloring from Walmart. That's what we'll use for all of our cutout cookies, all of our frosting for gingerbread houses and things like that. So that's that. 2 things of oyster crackers. We are doing soup once a week this month, so we can have some of these with our soup, or most of these will be for those, what do you call it? Chex Mix that we're doing in the oven with the pretzels. 2 things of hard salami. The kids really like these with just round crackers and some blocks of cheese. Those go in lunch boxes. They're like homemade Lunchables. The kids love them. This would also be a really good idea for Christmas break while your kids are home. You can set out like a cheese and cracker platter, keep it up on the counter for the afternoon. When the kids want it, they can come grab some, and you're not always being asked for snacks because it's just out. It's there. When the kids want it, they can grab it. So that's kind of what these are for. 4 things of lunch meat for the month, 2 things of ham, 2 things of turkey. That averages about 1 package a week typically, and that'll get us through the month. Some fun Aldi like Christmas time things. We always get these. So my son picked out these Christmas tree ice cream bars. There's 3 in here, so my bigger kids can all have one of these probably tonight, maybe while we're watching a Christmas movie. Then we always get these. These are the reindeer ones. There's 4 in here, and I got 2 of them, so there are 8 in here. We'll stick these away. The kids can have these kind of periodically, and once they're gone, they're gone. They're just for the kids to have a little fun Christmas themed snack. I did get a thing of rice. I'm not going to Sam's Club anytime soon, so this is just going to get us through for now. I needed a thing of cinnamon for all the holiday baking. Thing of ketchup, we're almost out. I got a thing of hard taco shells. These are what the kids are kind of leaning towards recently. At least one of my kids is really leaning toward the hard taco shells versus the soft taco shells, so I got those for that child. Thing of hash browns. I figured this would just be fun to have for when the kids are on Christmas break for breakfast or even lunch. We'll do these sometimes with, like, I don't know, grilled cheese or something like that. I got a thing of thick sliced pepperoni for all of the pizzas and the strombolis and stuff we're doing this month. I needed a bag of spinach. We are going to be doing the mock, like, Olive Garden gnocchi soup, so I needed that for this. Hi, buddy.
Can you tell them that we got?
I sure will.
Okay.
I got a thing of egg noodles for this, like, 1 pot creamy chicken bake that I did last month. Everybody really liked it, so I wanted to do that again, so I got this for that. A gallon of milk. We're going through about a gallon, probably 2 or 3 gallons of milk a week with Cleo right now, so this is not going to last very long. Thing of grapes. The kids will eat these frozen blueberries once the fresh ones are gone. I got 3 English cucumbers for the kids for the month instead of the little bags. I wanted to try these out and see how these held up, if they held up longer than the mini cucumbers that we've been getting. I have 15 bananas on my Walmart order, but when I walked into Aldi and saw that these were completely green, I wanted to get these, pick these up as well. That way, hopefully the ones I get from Walmart will be really yellow, so we'll have bananas longer than what we typically will, because these are going to take probably a couple days to ripen. I got this tropical trail mix for a Christmas gift, but it has banana chips, dried papaya, raisins, dried pineapple, cranberries, golden raisins, cashews, and almonds. I know somebody that I think would really like this, so I got this for them, and I love the Southern Grove brand of trail mix. They're awesome. I have another one in here somewhere that we'll see in a minute, but I got that. A big thing of classic roast coffee. They had a limit of 2 on these. I don't know, are these always $5 or was this like a Christmas special or something? But I got one. I've never gotten it before, so I only got one, but part of me kind of wishes I would have gotten a second one just for storage, but we'll see how this goes over. I got a thing of turkey for Christmas dinner. These are 99 cents a pound right now, and I'm pretty sure this one is 16 pounds. Yep. Yeah, so I paid $26 for this turkey, not too shabby. So this will be for Christmas dinner. I got a thing of oats for all of the holiday baking that we're going to be doing. Big bag of potatoes. This is a 10-pound bag for mashed potatoes for Christmas. I still have about 5 pounds left from last month, so we'll eat the rest of the 5 pounds throughout the rest of the month for my household, and this will be held over for Christmas. I got a thing of regular crackers for the kids. This is going to go on the storage shelf because I have some left over from last month, but I wanted to make sure that I had these left over, or these for like Christmas or snacks or things for the kids, so I got another one. I also got some Christmas gift items. My son is already carrying some of these downstairs for me, but I got these for my niece. These were on sale for $4, but they had them in her size, which is awesome, so I got her these. They're just like fuzzy, warm boots with little stars on them, and I know that she will really like these. I also got a Play-Doh kit and like a little toy puppy. I'll put a clip in, but I got those as well for Christmas gifts, so that's also why my total was a little bit more between finishing off some Christmas shopping that I had to do, but they were all really great deals, so I picked them up and I'm happy that I saw them. 4 cans of green beans for green bean casserole. I needed that. I also got some fruit snacks for my son. This is his favorite snack. I recently found a new recipe that we really like, and it's this queso chicken, and we like to make quesadillas out of it. While I haven't been making it as much because queso from Walmart's like $5 or $6, but I saw these at Aldi today. They were 99 cents, so I got 2 of them. I'm hoping that they're good. I figured we can use these with some of our tortilla chips, things like that for the month for snacks for the kids. But I also got 4 boxes of graham crackers. One of these must still be in the car, but I got 4 boxes because I have it's a Lunch Lady peanut butter bar that the kids really like that I make when I put it in their lunch boxes. But we're also going to be making gingerbread houses out of these graham crackers with some of my nieces and nephews this month. So I got a lot of boxes so that we had enough for the gingerbread houses, and then we're going to be making the frosting from scratch, and then we're splitting between me and some of my sister-in-laws, brother-in-laws, like the additives. So I'm doing the frosting, and the graham cracker is somebody else is bringing some candies, somebody else is bringing some different candies, so the kids will have an array of things to make their gingerbread houses out of. I also got this Tuscan trail mix also through Southern Grove, but it's peanuts, sesame sticks, garlic breadsticks, rye chips, almonds, and cashews. This looked really good, so I got this one for the month as well. So many baking chips. They're all on sale right now, so I got some bags of minis. I got some butterscotch ones, which my Aldi doesn't normally have. So I think I got a couple bags of butterscotch. I don't have anything planned for these, but even just to have. So I got a couple things of those. I got a couple things of white chocolate chips. I knew I needed those. I also got some semi-sweet. So just a pile of baking chips for the month. I also got 2 bags of marshmallows for hot chocolates and Rice Krispie treats and all the things. Lots of tortillas for the month. I got 2 bags of the 20-count tortillas You guys comment all the time that I need to get my tortillas from Sam's Club, so I'm going to do that next time. I just store these in the freezer and pull them out when I need them. And I wanted extra because we're doing a Mexican themed Christmas with my family, so I wanted to have tortillas for that. And while the kids are home, we'll do quesadillas, we'll do roll-ups, things like that for the kids for snacks, or for lunches rather. So I wanted to have a lot of these on hand. Plus I want to get breakfast burritos in the freezer for my husband. He's gonna be doing a big commute for work for a little bit, so I wanted to make sure I had something easy for him to grab and eat on the way to work. Citrus is going to be a really great price right now because they're winter produce. So these were $2 a bag, and I figured even if it gets later in the month, my kids aren't eating them, I'll peel them and I'll can them. So I got 6 pounds because they were a great price. A big pile of cheese. Cheddar was on sale this week, or today when I went, I don't know. But I got a lot of cheddar for the freezer, and I also got some Mexican style cheese for, like I said, some of those Mexican things we're gonna be doing this month. A bag of tomatoes. These are a pretty good price right now too. I got 2 Caesar salad kits. My kids are loving these. Every time I pop them out, they wanna have some too. So we're usually going through a full bag for a meal. So I got these. My kids will help me eat these. They're fantastic. I also got some romaine lettuce for the month. Chicken. I got 2 bags of chicken breast, and then I also got a bag of chicken thighs. I like to use chicken thighs when we do more like Asian style dishes or like marinated chickens. I think the thighs take the marinade better, so that's why I got those. I got a thing of Nutella. I'm gonna do some chocolate braided bread as gifts for some of my neighbors. So I wanted to get this. Plus my kids will eat these, or eat this on toast and different things throughout the month. They'll be happy that I have this. I don't always get this, so I got that for them. Pizza is on the menu for dinner tonight. So I asked my kids this morning what they wanted. They wanted a meat one and then just a plain cheese. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge. We'll have this for dinner tonight, probably with one of those salad kits, maybe some of those Christmas ice cream bars, and we're gonna watch a movie because it is December 1st. So we're gonna break out all the Christmas things. Very last thing I got was a whole flat of tomato soup. My Aldi does not always have this tomato and basil soup. It's one of our favorite things, our favorite go-to lunch around here, especially when all the kids are home, is a grilled cheese sandwich with some tomato soup. The kids love it, I love it. It's great. My Aldi doesn't always have these, or when they do have them, sometimes they only have 2 or 3 cans. This month, they had a whole bunch of them, so I bought a whole flat. They're $2.19 a can, so I paid, you know, $25 for all of these, but I'll have them for a while. I won't have to worry about it. They'll be on the shelf, and I'm really happy to have these, especially coming into Christmas break, because I would not be surprised if we eat tomato soup and grilled cheese 2 or 3 times during Christmas break. So very happy to have these. That is everything for my Aldi haul for the month. Just to answer questions really quick that I'm sure I'm going to get. This is only half the haul. The other half of the haul, where I get most of my dairy and stuff, is going to come from Walmart. That's where like yogurts and things are going to come in play. Basically whatever I can't get from Aldi, that's a good price, I'll get at Walmart instead. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me and watch my Aldi haul. My Walmart haul is going up tomorrow if you want to see the second half of the groceries for the entire month of December and watch me completely blow my grocery budget. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day wherever you are, and I will see you guys tomorrow.